Hello. Good morning, students. So, today here in today's English period, that is English 7th standard honeycomb, we are going to learn a new lesson in the next unit. We have completed 2 units and third unit that we are starting. The lesson is Gopal and the Hilsa fish. Okay, it's a small story, very entertaining one. It's a story like in the ancient time. The stories of Akbar Birbal, and nowadays on the television that Tenali Rama, that serial is going on. One of that kind of story is presented over here in front of you. Okay, and it's a small incident, Gopal and the Hilsa fish. So it's a story in the picture format that is going to be very interested for you. It's like comic one, and you can learn it yourself. I'll tell you the summary of the story. There are dialogues of the people, characters given. See, the setting of the story is that Gopal is a man in the court of a certain king. Gopal is working in the court of a certain king, and this story has a setting of South Indian territory region. Now in South Indian territories, you know that what kind of food is famous? Rice and fish. Here in this story, there is a typical kingdom village where there is a region of a king, and Gopal is working. Now it's the festival time in this kingdom, and in this kingdom, when there are festivals like in Kerala, Pongal is famous. Okay, so when there are festival times in South India or in any part of the country, what happens? People, they main things that happens changes is food, everyday food. Okay, on the festival days we have special kind of food. The same way here in this setting, in the story, there the special food in those days, in the days of celebration maybe, is Hilsa fish. It's a type of fish. Hilsa is a type of fish. It's a Hilsa fish. It's a type of fish which is being eaten for a few days in the festival maybe. Now in that story, here in this story, in this place, the Hilsa is so famous or so loved by people for eating that everyone is purchasing Hilsa fish, everyone is talking about Hilsa fish, everyone is purchasing Hilsa fish, and everyone is eating Hilsa fish. Okay, and everyone is praising Hilsa fish. So in the market, in the houses, in the lanes, in the court, everyone is talking about Hilsa, Hilsa and Hilsa. Every day it is going on. Now when an incident takes place, that see, fishes are available in different size. Okay, and even the Hilsa fish, what kind of fish I have not seen, but every fish is available in small or bigger size up to its limitation. So everyone is talking about, I purchased this much bigger fish, I purchased so many fishes, I ate 2 fishes. Maybe like this the discussions are going on every day. This day of celebration. And somehow the Gopal, who is known for his talent in the court, somehow it comes up to Gopal like a challenge that if you are bringing a fish, Hilsa fish, from the market, at least 10 people will ask you. And Gopal accepts the challenge that he will bring a fish from the market to the court and nobody will ask about the fish. Nobody will talk a word even about the fish. Oh my God! When this condition, when this celebration, when people are talking about Hilsa fish, they are crazy about Hilsa fish. At that time, if somebody is carrying a Hilsa fish up to the court, nobody will talk how it can happen. Gopal accepts the challenge. And what he does, the very next day, Gopal goes to market. Before going to market, he starts disguising himself. Now, disguising, changing the makeup, disguise. Disguise. Dis means misleading. Okay, dis means misleading. So, character. So, he changes his own character. That means he changes his makeup, he changes his looks. Now, how he changes his look? What he does, before leaving the house, he starts shaving and then cutting his hairs in such a way, half of the portion of the hairs on his head, he made it bald. Bald with no hairs. Bald with no hairs. Half of the hairs on his head, he balded himself. Means removed his hair. Half of the hairs are there. In the half portion, there are no hairs. So, what happens? It's a surprising one. It's a different look. People will get amused on it. Then half of the beard he keeps it, and another side, half of the beard he shave it. So half of the beard is shaved and half of the beard is full grown. Then the beard that is shaved part he smashes with ashes. Ashes means left of burnt out things, है ना. लकड़ी जल जाती है, उसका क्या बचता है? एशेस. कागज जलने के बाद क्या बन जाता है? एशेस. दैट इज कॉल्ड एश. ओके, राख. सो विद द एश ही स्मैश्ड. With the ash he smashed his face. Then instead of wearing good clothes, what he does, he changes his clothing also and wears torn off clothes. Fully torn off, like a beggar. Okay, so he wears a fully torn off clothes. They are torn everywhere, and in this way the full makeup has been changed. He disguises himself, then goes to the market and purchases a Hilsa fish. Purchasing the Hilsa fish, he goes on moving. Now such a person, tragic looking person or different kind of looking person, if he is passing from the market, so it happened like this. Gopal started disguising himself And how he started making balding his half of the head, okay, hairs, then beard, half beard smashed with ashes, torn, dressed up, torn, all like beggar. His wife who kept on asking him, why, what happened to you, what are you doing? And he keeps on telling her, that I am going to buy a big, huge Hilsa fish. See, he keeps on telling her again and again about Hilsa fish, Hilsa fish, Hilsa fish, but she is not ready to listen a word, single word about Hilsa fish, because this kind of disguise, this kind of makeup she is interested, or she is totally concentrating on that, and she is, in the end she tells, are you gone mad? Her expressions are like this. As soon as Gopal enters in the market, people start calling him mystic and magical and crazy and a madman. And in this time, meanwhile, he purchases a Hilsa fish, goes on pulling it to and fro, okay, and goes on walking, comes up to the court and asks for the permission to enter the court. And somehow he could get the permission to enter the court. After entering the court, he goes on talking with the king, and the king says, the man is crazy, throw him out at once. I want to see but he goes on telling that I want to see the king, and he goes and comes in front of the king. Now what happens when he comes in front of the king? The courtiers, the people in the court, they are talking about his disguise. Everyone is talking about his makeup. Nobody is attracted towards the big, huge Hilsa fish that he is carrying in his hand. What happens? All right, Gopal, out with it. Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion, says the king. Now the king understood, everyone come to know that he is Gopal, and Gopal answers, Your Majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. And Gopal says that, Your Majesty, you have forgotten something. Forgotten something, says the king. What I have forgotten? And then Gopal tells, see, I came in the court, I came walking from the market, and from my home I started. Everyone is looking at my dress, and no one has talked a little word even about the Hilsa fish. In this way, Gopal wins this challenge, and this is the story of Gopal's talent, that is Gopal's trick he has used. So this is a very short story. Dear students, read it fully, read it carefully. I have introduced some words, few hard words. You will find, if you find some more, go to the dictionary, check the meanings, write it down in your notebooks. And right now I am sending you the notes and the solution of this lesson. Okay, thank you.